cross everywhere. Your relative, Shaira?
No, it's my driver.
Ah. But Holy Weeks tomorrow start only? No.
No, it's already start from last day.
Ah, last night. Okay. Unlimited chicken. 200 peso. Take a look now, so very few cars, only motorcycles, tricycles. Because diesel is so expensive. And next week they said more high price. Barangay is only car. Take a look, very few cars, very few. We just go outside buy some fish, barbecue fish, I want fish. Traffic because church near. That's why we not take a car this week. Shaira, can you wait me? I want to take video near church, or we can walk together. I want to take a look only. Take a look price, how much is 70, 50, 130, 160. We come back. I want to show to you why traffic. Because near church and people with cross go to the church. This is church. Look, traffic here, and most of people are filming. It's only start right now. Later, heavy traffic and more crosses in the road. It's from Conception. Tarlac Conception, I see. Yeah, Conception. Guys, this cross from Conception is Tarlac. It's far.
It's from here.
From here?
Yeah.
But you see, Conception. А, Мавоки. I see Мавоки. Мавоки Мабалакат. Take a look traffic now. All the road. That's big. Heavy traffic with week. Even motor use also not easy. No, most of use motorcycles and tricycles. Take a look, Shire, we go to where from the church already, from but where? Hi?
Camachiles.
Camachiles, our place. But why they stop in the church first?
It's tradition.
Traditional first.
Every church they need to stop.
Every church need only stop. What's why traffic here?
For Camachiles, this is the main church.
Main church in Camachiles.
Main church.
Okay.
They have two church here. But sometimes they go to Grotto in Barban, start there.
Grotto when we before take video.
Yes. They start there until here. They walk only.
Maybe we go to Grotto this week. Do you want? We can check video. Check. Take video. Your relatives not go to with cross this time? I remember before you also.
My cousin go to Dubai also.
Ah, Dubai. How she
They
go?
in Taiwan already.
Ah, okay, okay.
Maybe have
From Milwaukee. It's from Milwaukee. It's Mabalakap.
Hey, what's up, man?
Take a look, have gym near our place also. In our place. We will show to you where we go with cross. Oh, new. Someone open milk tea in our place. Good weather right now in the Philippines. Night time very comfortable, not hot. But daytime now 35, 37. Night time 28.